Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by unlocking your Realme C11 and making sure the battery is sufficient. Low power can interrupt changes. Open the Settings app, tap the gear icon or swipe up and select it from the app drawer. Once inside, scroll down to find Accessibility, often under System or Additional Settings. You go directly there because accessibility features live inside that menu. Next, tap Accessibility to load the list of services and toggles you will turn off in the next step. Once inside Accessibility, scan the list for active items such as TalkBack, Switch Access, Explore by Touch, and Color Correction. You need to tap each one to open its detail screen. There you will see a toggle and sometimes a confirm or stop button. Turn the toggle off and accept any confirmations. If TalkBack is on, use two-finger scrolling and double tap to select. This avoids accidental gestures. Make sure permissions are revoked if requested, so the service won't restart automatically. After toggling all relevant accessibility options off, restart your Realme C11 to ensure changes apply system-wide. When the phone reboots, you should navigate normally with single taps and one-finger scrolling. Open a few apps to confirm behavior. If a service re-enables or you still have restricted input, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps or go to accessibility settings and choose Reset to Defaults. If nothing helps, a quick soft reset or contacting support can resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.